Can your forehead be ashy? Why is my forehead ashy?
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. So we're throwing back the wine and the wig. I've tried this wine before. It's $5 from Target. It's the California Roots Rosé wine. It is inexpensive, easy to pick up. Go ahead and get you some. We're also going to go ahead and showcase this throwback wig. I don't think y'all remember her because I've done something a little different to her. As you can see, I got a little style or whatever on this thing. So this wig is from Asteria Hair, and this is the Asteria Deep Wave 20-inch wig. It's 150% density, and this is like my 2-month update. My first review was just a quick application. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't do anything to it. I wanted to show you what the wig looked like when she came out the box, just, you know, with that brand new wig smell. But now I've done a little bit more to her. I finally bleached the knots and properly washed her. To be honest with y'all, I did not really wear this wig at all since the first time that I reviewed it. So this is 2 months. It's been sitting in a box, in a bin, my wig bin, under a whole bunch of other wigs. Once I washed her, the softness is ridiculous. This hair, it was 20 inches, like I said, and I chopped it up and give it more of like this even, sort of chopped up bob, where I've braided it up the middle and created like a little updo style. This wig has a really good pre-plucked lace. I did not have to plug this lace at all. So you can see how realistic the lace is. But let me go ahead and show y'all what the hair looks like at the back. So if you want to see how I created this simple boho chic inspired hairstyle, keep on watching and then we'll be back. So this is how the wig looks freshly washed, and we're going to start off by putting on our wig cap and our wig grip. The wig grip stops the wig from pulling at your edges, especially when you glue it down. So I love using this even when I glue down my wigs. So what we're going to do first is clip away the hair and use the Got to Be Glued gel and apply that. I apply it almost on my hairline, but because I have the wig grip, it's not tugging at it and it's easy to take off with water. So I apply it to my hairline and I take a blow dryer and just blow dry it until it's like a tacky texture. So once it's tacky, I just add the wig to my hairline. Y'all be careful when you're doing this. Be careful. I don't want to be responsible for your edges, girl. So we're just going to place that on and allow it to stick. And then I just take some Got to Be Glued spray and I apply it to the areas that are lifted that have not been melted onto my forehead. So I take the end of like a flat item. This is the end of a tweezers, and I just press it against the lace. Using your fingers allows the oil from your fingers to remove the gel or the spray. So I just use the end of a tweezer or something flat. So I do that all the way around, and typically I have to do it like on the corners of my hair close to my ear because the wig don't like to apply right there. So you just keep doing that around the lace until it melts into your forehead. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start styling the hair. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it initially, but I knew I wanted to get rid of those ends and I wanted it to look a little bit more sassy. So I just cut off the kind of not scraggly ends, but the thinner ends just to make it look thicker, and gave it like a couple of layers so it made it have more body in it. And now we're just going to go ahead and blend the lace. Now it looks a little bit light now, but it'll warm up as the oils from my skin start to seep into the powder. So we're going to start figuring out what our style is going to be. I've decided I've wanted something a little bit more bohemian, so I just parted it in the middle, and this is just a really simple style that's cute, summery, but not too difficult to do. So I just parted like a small part in the middle of my head and sectioned away the extra hair that I had on the sides of my head, so it just gets out of the way. And just clip away the hair as well so it doesn't get into the cornrow that we're about to make in the middle of our head. So we're just going to do a simple cornrow. I try not to do it too tight because we're trying to keep this wig on and keep our edges with us, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and braid this all the way back. And it's not super tight, it's kind of loose, which is fine. And I just braided all the way down to the ends. We're mostly to the ends. We're going to leave a little bit of loose hair at the end. So I take one of my little jewels. These are like 99¢ from the beauty supply store. And I add it to the ends of the hair. And I also add it to the braid as well. Take the clips off. And fluff our hair out to see what that looks like. And that's a cute style. I do enjoy that style. But I wanted something a little bit sassier. So I sectioned away some of the hair on the sides of the braid. And pulled it back. So it gave us kind of like that, I don't know if it's half up, half down, or a third up and a third and 3/4 down. I don't know what you call it. And I created a little ponytail and wrapped the end of that cornrow braid around the ponytail. And I allowed the jewel to sit on the front, which I thought was a cute little style. And I just took a bobby pin and pinned away the braid. And this is a cute little sassy girly style, but I wanted something a little bit more, I don't know, different and more tucked away. So I decided to wrap the hair around and create a little bun at the top, which I thought was super cute, super easy, and exactly what I was looking for. What do y'all think? I hope that you enjoyed my 2-month update on this hair. I have to say that I love it. The hair is super, super soft. I've added no product to this hair. I've just conditioned it and just let it go. I'll go ahead and leave a link for the hair down below. Yeah, let me go ahead and grab this wine. Y'all know, look at me, I'm matching my wine. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.